What's up, everyone? Welcome to the video. Today we're going to take a look at how to replace the battery in this Toyota remote key fob. This key fob is going to use replacement battery CR2032, and I'll put a link in the description box of this video to where you can purchase these batteries if you're in need. The other thing we're going to be using is a flathead screwdriver. So if we grab our fob and we take a look at the top of it, we see there's this little notch right here. What we're going to do is put the screwdriver in that notch, and then I'm going to twist it like this, like I'm opening a lock with the key. So put it in that notch, make sure it's all the way in there, and then twist, and it pops the shell apart. And you should just be able to use your hands to pull it the rest of the way apart. Now we see our battery right here. If you need to, you can use that screwdriver just to help get it started, to get it out of that holder. We'll grab our new battery, and we want to make sure that we're installing that with the plus side up. Plus side up, like that. Once you have that new battery in there, you can go ahead and snap the two halves back together. Make sure it's all the way snapped together. And that's it. Pretty simple. If you have any questions, please let me know. If you could take a second to like and subscribe, it helps us out, and I'd appreciate it. Thank you.